Welcome back. We were recently tagged by Jason. Check out his channel.
Jason Wish.
Jason Wish. We'll throw the link below to do your 5 favorite gear items. So we got tagged.
Yeah.
So we're doing our 5 favorite items.
Yeah, and we have other videos about our 5 favorite items, but we're always more than happy to talk about gears.
Of course, any excuse to talk about gear. So we'll each go through our 5 items, and then we are going to nominate 5 new people to do this.
Absolutely.
So my 5 items, first item, of course, is my Dutch Wear Chameleon. Definitely one of my favorite items. And this thing is so tricked out. It's so non-stock now. It's great. We have tons of videos talking about this. Second item, of course, the Helinox Chair Zero. Never leave home without a backpacking chair.
Never, ever.
My last 3 items, this is a new item for this year. This is my headlamp. This is an Olight H2S headlamp. I switched from the Zipka. 400 lumens, rechargeable, multiple modes. I really like this, and you can use it for running, whatever. Great item. Favorite item. Next item, no one talks about these in their 5 items. My camp shoes. These are Shama sandals. They're actually running sandals. I've never ran in them, but they're incredibly minimalist and lightweight. They have Vibram soles. Love camp shoes after hiking all day. Sitting in your backpacking chair, putting your camp shoes on. We're all about comfort.
Yep, absolutely.
Item number 4, my camp shoes. And item number 5, my Sawyer Squeeze. We love these things. They're great at filtering water. We've been using Sawyer products for a while now. We switched to the Squeeze, but it's a great filter and makes getting water for camp and water in general much easier.
Easy and fast.
Easy and fast. All right, your turn.
All right, so my 5 items. As like Kevin, I will start out with the Chameleon. It was a game changer for us. So can't talk about 5 favorite items and not bring up your hammock, so Chameleon definitely on there. Second, my Gossamer Gear LT4 trekking poles. These things are amazing. I brag about them in tons of videos. Next, my Montbell down sweater,
down
my puffy
items.
jacket.
It's a good item. 6
ounces. Comes with me just about on every trip except for that summer stuff. Super warm, super light. I love this thing. I bought it years ago. It comes with me all the time. Next item for me, my cook kit. It's a concoction of a Trail Designs Caldera Cone kit with an alcohol stove from Zelf, the modified Starlight. But anyways, the cook kit that I use just to boil water, it's just fantastic. It works so great and so minimalist. We have lots of videos on it. It's definitely in my top 5. I love this cook kit. And then finally, hand me your chair, just like Kevin, the Helinox Chair Zero. Absolutely in the top 5 of my favorite gear. I think you'll find that some items that we talk about in our favorite gear are definitely luxury items that we will
Most of them are luxury items.
We will never go backpacking without. So those are my 5 items.
So now it is time for us to pass the torch, and we are going to nominate 5 other YouTube channels to do this. Once again, Jason Wish, he nominated us. Check out his channel, he's got good stuff there. First, we are nominating the mustachioed beauty himself, Tim Watson. And if one of those items is not a poop trowel, get your life together. Number 2, Outdoor Adventures. I want to see your 5 items. Number 3, Up Trail 71. What are your 5 items, man? Number 4, oh, Meerkat. Alex from Meerkat Hiking. He's got some great videos. Check out his channel. We want to know your 5 items.
It's probably all Z-Pack stuff.
Yeah, and then Bryce Newbold, if you're ever watching these, a local, another Ohio guy, let's see your 5 items. And we will throw links to all these channels down in the description. So hopefully they respond and tell us about their 5 items, but that's our favorite items, and thank you all for watching. Yep. And check out their channels, and hopefully we get some responses.